Welcome. Today, we're exploring how to share your profile link on Facebook using your Android device. This updated method is straightforward and will help you connect with friends effortlessly. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. Start by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile. Step 2. Navigate to the profile. To find your profile, simply tap your profile picture, located at the top left of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots. Once you're on your profile, look for the 3 horizontal dots next to the messenger icon. Tapping on these dots will open a menu with various options. Step 4. Tap Copy Link at the bottom. In the menu that appears, find and tap Copy Link. This action will copy your profile's URL to your clipboard, making it easy to share. Step 5. Tap Share Profile. Now from the same menu, select Share Profile. You'll have the option to share it through Messenger, email, or any other platform you prefer. And that's it. Sharing your Facebook profile link is as easy as these 5 steps. Whether you're connecting with new friends or inviting people to check out your profile, this method is quick and efficient. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips.